Hey, we're back again with another video. You've caught me round at the lockup, getting ready to go and do a flight of stairs. We also have a new apprentice today by the name of Kieran. The stairs we're going to do today, we have about 6 winders on it, and the rest of them are straight steps. But anyway, without further ado, let's have a look at the job. Right, here we go. Here's the job that we're doing today. Stairs. We have winders. Now, for those of you who don't know what a winder is, it's the step that allows the stairs to turn. It's usually bigger than a step. Right, the fitting of the winder. So, what you do, you check the power direction of the carpet first, which is this way. It all runs over the step. You then make sure the carpet is straight, as it is now, because you see when you press it, it runs straight along the nose. Yeah. Prime example, if I was to do that, it wouldn't run straight along the nose. You see, it's going at an angle. Yeah, it's going at an angle. So now you turn it back to where it should be, and it's straight. So you also have to make sure you have enough carpet at this end for you to fold around, which we have. So we're now ready to start fitting this carpet on this winder. I like to use a touch of adhesive on the old grippers. He wants to reuse existing underlay. So, right, so first thing we'll do is we'll cut away the excess. We put it in to make sure it's holding properly. Then we'll make a cut here on an angle that it goes in there. We'll make another one here so that we can get it to go over the step. We'll come to the corner. We'll make another cut in the corner. And that should right now we're going to secure the carpet up. Now you'll notice the tightness. So we are tight. So now we're actually going to start fitting it in. We'll cut off our excess there. We grab our carpet, fold it. Get back to here, make a little relief cut in the corner, fold it back in. There you go. We come here. There, we get to there, make a crease, put another relief cut in. there you go, we're just about done with this one. If you like these type of videos, please check out my other videos. Thank you for watching.